In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Uizard for text edit in image. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to update the text that sits on top of an image inside your Uizard project, and then preview the results so you can see exactly how it will look to your audience. This is perfect for quick copy tweaks, correcting typos, or refining styling to improve readability. To start, open Uizard and head to the Projects area. You'll see your prototypes and design files listed there. Pick the project you want to work on. If you have many projects, use search or scan for the most recent update time to find the right one quickly. When your project opens, you'll land on the canvas with your frames or screens. Locate the screen that contains the image with the text you want to change. Use zoom and pan to focus on the exact area you're editing so you can see how the text sits against the image details. Now select the text you want to modify. Double-click directly on that text to enter edit mode. You'll see the text cursor appear, which means you can type right away to replace or adjust the copy. Keep an eye on the right side properties panel. As you edit, you can fine-tune the typography. Change the font, size, weight, color, alignment, and line spacing so your text reads cleanly over the image. For readability, make sure there's strong contrast between the text and the background. If the image is busy, increasing font weight, adjusting color, or slightly enlarging the text can help. You can also tweak line height for multi-line text to avoid crowding. If the text in the image is actually part of the photo itself and not a separate text layer, add a new text element on top and match the style so it blends naturally. As you make these changes, Uizard saves your work automatically, so you won't lose progress. Take a moment to scan for consistency. Use the same font styles used elsewhere in your project to keep your design cohesive. When you're happy with the edit, click Preview. This opens an interactive view that shows your design without the editor's distractions, giving you a more realistic sense of spacing, color, and readability. Check the text at typical viewing size and glance at it from a distance. If it's hard to read, hop back to the editor and make quick adjustments. Repeat until it feels clear and balanced. That's all there is to it. Open your project, double-click to edit the text on the image, fine-tune the styling, and use Preview to confirm the result. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Uizard.